Today we're going to talk about window bucks for ICF. In particular, this is called pre-buck, made by Nudura. So this has actually streamlined our labor, cut our labor costs quite a bit, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kody with Up to Code. So what we used to do before Nudura came out with this pre-buck is at the very beginning, a long time ago when LVL was cheap, we just ripped down LVL and use it for bucks because it's super strong and you don't have to brace it as much. Then we started getting into this type of, I think it's LSL. It's kind of sometimes I just call it OSB just for short. So we started getting into that because it's still a stable product. It's not a 2x12 that's going to cup or twist, but they come in 11 and 7/8. But the price is a lot cheaper than LVL. So then what we'd have to do is we'd have to rip it down to 11 1/4. Then we'd have to build the buck, and then we'd have to porcupine it with nails or screws and then do a sill gasket. So all those different steps just added to the labor. So now that Nudura's come out with this is 11 1/4 wide. It's the LSL. They've treated it and they've dovetailed it. So when you, essentially, if this is your opening, your buck's gonna sit like this and the concrete's gonna pour in and it's gonna fill those dovetails. So you don't have to porcupine it. You don't have nails getting in the way of all these ties. And so it's just a super easy way. It's sped things up for us. So yeah, that's the Nudura pre-buck. And you know what, actually before I sign off, I like using wood bucks. I know there's other systems out there, but to me the wood just gives me, I know it's dimensionally stable and I know that I have something to attach my window to, my exterior siding to, my interior drywall, my trim. I just need the attachment around those openings. And so that's why I still like using wood to this day. So I'm Kody with Up to Code. Make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. All right. Are we rolling? Okay, cool. Just watching me fiddle. You know what? I was going to buy a violin, but then I figured, you know what? I'm just going to end up fiddling around. Dad joke. Boom, 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 boom.